The banking system around the world based on riba, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay. Number one, do not ever borrow money on interest. No. You will regret it. You'll come to me tomorrow with tears in your eyes. Yes. Allah has made it haram, I can't make it halal. No. 1 second. Number two, do not put your money in a fixed deposit to earn interest. And do not lend your money on interest. Number three, whatever savings or money you have in US dollars and ringgits and Nigerian money and this and that and the other, take it out and put it into gold dinars and silver dirhams, or better than that. The Prophet said, if you have land, hold on to your land, meaning farmland. If you have animals, hold on to your animals. And the man then asks, O Messenger of Allah, what about if we have neither land nor animals? What do we do? He said, sharpen your sword. So I would advise, buy land, buy animals. Okay? And insofar as buying and selling is concerned, I've already mentioned the subject of money.